Hi everyone. Now we will learn how we can make a counter app in Angular. See, that will be a small application, but we will learn lots of things here. For example, we'll learn how we can reuse a function, how we can put conditions inside a function, how we can update the values of properties and display that updated values on the UI, and lots of other things also, right? So first let me show you the demo so that you will get idea what we will make in this part. So here you can see that we have three buttons, decrement, reset and increment, and here we will display the value. So when I click on the increment button, the value will be increased by 1. Here you can see that. If I click on the decrement button, the value will be decreased by 1. And if I just click on the reset, then value will be set on the 0. Here you can see that. Right? So this functionality we will achieve there, and you will learn lots of things by this counter application. Okay. So for points, first we will make three buttons for increment, decrement and reset. Then we will make a counter property and display its value on the UI. Then we will make functions so that we can increase, decrease and reset value. And we will add some style also to the buttons so that that will be look like this. Otherwise the button will be not so much, you can say that, user friendly. All right. And at last we'll discuss some important interview questions also. So let's jump on the code now. So first of all, I'm opening the app.component.html, and there I'll make a div. Inside this, let me add the h3 or h2 tag, whatever you want to add. And let me put some, let's put there 0 inside this. After that, let me take another div. And then inside this, I'm taking three buttons. First for decrement. And let me create two more buttons, increment, and last one is last one will be the increment, and middle one for the reset. Now you will see the UI is look like this. So this is not so much user friendly and so much good UI, you can say that. Okay, so what we'll do there, so let me add one class to this h3 tag, which is count, because this is a counter, and let me add one class to the buttons also, which is simply btn. Then let me go to the you can say that inspect element, and let me add some style for one button. Then we will apply this style for all of three buttons. So first let me add the width, which is 80 pixel. Then height can be the same, 80 pixel. Then border radius 50%. 50% means that will be completely round. Border 1 pixel solid, and then color will be, let's say, black. Okay, then margin we can add. Margin will be, let's say, 10 pixel. Yeah, I think that's fine for now. And color, let me add this color is white, like this. So I know for right now this color is not looking better, but I will change it. Just give me a second. Okay, so now let's open the app.component.css, and there apply the button class btn, and it should be start with the dot. And I'll see the style is applied with the all of three buttons. So now let's take one more class, bg red and bg black, and last one is bg green. Bg means background. Now let's move back to there, and let's add the background color is red, and let me add two more classes there, green and black, and let me change the class name also, green and black, and you'll see now these are like this. So one thing what I'll do with the button, I want to give some hover effect. And what hover effect I want to provide there, border will be removed there, border 1 pixel solid, and then white. Now you will see whenever I'm hovering over the button, this is something like this is giving some effect, you can say that, but it should be a pointer there, not this. So let me add one more thing, cursor should be pointer. Now here you can see that we have the hand icon there, right? Okay, so next thing is we have to style for this one also. So what I'll do there, let me add font size 30 pixel, then margin auto, then margin bottom, let's say 30 pixel, 20 pixel, that should fine, I think. Then width I can add layer, let's say 100 pixel, yeah. And then background color, let's say gray, text align center, and okay, it should be gray, not green. And after that, padding, let's say 10 pixel, border radius we can apply 10 pixel. I think that is fine now. So let me add this with the dot counter class, count class. And why I'm adding count class there, because see, it has count class, so this is perfectly fine. One more thing I want to do there, style text align center. Now all buttons will be in the center. This is giving much better effect. So now the next thing, let's move on the functionality after style. Click on the app.component.ts and define a property count type string, not string, number, okay, number, and value will be, let's say 0, right? But by default, I told you in last part, if you are defining some value, it will take data type according to the value. So if you will not define number, still this will work fine. Okay, so now remove this 0 and use the interpolation and use count there, and you will find this is still 0 because we defined there 0. If I just put there 10, you will get 10 there. Okay, so by default it should be 0. Now I'm creating a function, and function name will be, let's say, handle increment. And what I'll do there, this dot count equal to count plus 1, and this function will call on the click of increment button. Let's define their click event inside this, call this function, and now you will see if I just click over there, this is getting increased. Perfect. Similarly, I'll create two more functions. One is handle decrement. This will minus 1 value, and there handle reset, and this will make it 0, like this. And now we can use these two functions there. So let me define these classes, events there, decrement, yeah, and another one is, okay, it will be 0, and handle reset. Okay, so now let's see if they're working fine. Increasing value, decreasing, resetting. Perfect. But now, is it the optimized solution? No, we can use only one function rather than these three. So let me create one more function there, handle counter, and there I will get a value in a parameter, and it should be type of string. Now I'll check if val equal to minus, right? That means we want to decrement there and apply this logic. Else if value equal to plus, then we can apply this logic. Else we can reset this value like this. Let me fix it. Yeah, okay, so now use this handle function instead of these three functions. Only one function will be enough, and let's put there minus reset, and that will be plus. So when minus will be called, the first condition will called, as I told you, with plus value with this button, second condition will be execute, and otherwise third condition will be executed. So now if I just click over there, you can see that this is still working fine. There is no issue. So we don't need these three functions. So this is the way that how we can reuse one function with just a single parameter, right? So I hope you learned that how we can create a counter, and there is small issue, there is small bug, and you have to fix this. So if I just reset or I just click decrement too many times, that value will be going the minus. It should be stay positive and more than 0 or 0. It should not be minus. Then what logic you will apply there? You can just answer this in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this part. If you still have any doubt, confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment your feedback. This is my Paytm and GPay number. Thanks guys.